has paint, sky in gold. With this call, highway unfolds. No more change, no looking back. Just me, the road, and a heart on track. Rolling fast, chasing dreams. No regrets, just gasoline on the highway to forever, where the stars light up the night. Every mile we ride together, freedom's burning in our eyes. We all paint our famous song. Mind is right when you roll along.
I broke down and bought a diamond wheel. Let's see how good that works. Works pretty good. Cuts the hand good too. Wow.
Where the stars light up the line. Every mile we ride together, see 'em standing in my only your clay, our favorite song. I was less and we more.
I don't like the hanging. There's no way I can take another link out. That looks better. I just adjusted in the slot here a little bit, tighten it up a little bit. You can probably do it a little bit here, but I don't want it to hit the paint. Good enough, it'll keep stuff in the bed. Okay, this trailer is officially done, except for the hubcaps, depending on what you guys say. I don't know. I think I might, I don't know. My vote is no hubcaps because the yellow blends in with the flames. I might do more to them flames yet. I don't know. I seen this picture here, and I kind of like that first run I did. But to fix this, I don't know. I might frick it up, and I don't want to do that. All right, let's cover this thing up.
I don't know about this business. How can this even be happening?
And the rims are back from the powder coater, looking like the right color now. Happy New Year. This is what I started last night. My 80 cart, that's going to be dogwood white. I bought a barrel grinder from Harbor Freight. Let's see if I can, yep, that one there. Worked great on the flat. I mean, it really did. The only problem is it doesn't work on rust like it says. This trailer was not very rusty at all. As you can see right here, it's just light rust inside there. But it does not dig into the pores, so I can't really paint over that. So that's my dilemma right now. So right now I'm gonna finish up the sides, get one coat of primer on them, and clean it up the best I can. And I'm gonna send it to sandblaster to get the rust out of the center so it doesn't come back to haunt me. And after that, I'm not sure. Son might come over and might work on the 214 and see if we can get that running. Stay tuned, see how far I get here. All right, got an update for you. I am probably at least, I don't even know what time is it here. Hour and a half, 2 hours into this. I get this side finished, primed. I got this side finished and primed. And I just wanted to show you what it looks like before I prime it. So this is all DA'd down to 150. I got the railing all cleaned off. Besides removing the paint, I take the wire wheel. I got a heavy duty DeWalt wire wheel, which is That actually works pretty good. And I hit the rust spots, like right here, if you look at that rust. And that I feel comfortable with covering up with paint because there ain't really no rust in there no more. Like here too, you can see it. We got all the rust out of the pores, I feel. And some of that stuff wasn't even marks in the paint. There was no marks in that paint. That was under the paint. So hopefully I won't have no issues either. So other than that, this cart is in really good shape, except for that light rust right in there, which will be taken care of. All right, I'm going to prime this side and get this sealed up. Well, happy Saturday morning. It's paint day. Get some white done. I do not have that cart ready to go. I could not get to my sandblaster because the door is froze shut and my truck is froze shut. But either way, I still couldn't get to the sandblaster. It was way out there in that door and it won't open. Needless to say, this is where I left off. I got these parts cleaned up. This is for the 40/20 parts. And air cleaner, I don't know if I'm just putting this one on the 40/20 or not, but I have to sand this one and give it more coats of paint. I get some of them defects out of it. But for today, I am gonna scuff all the white stuff and get ready to paint it. Get it done, get it looking nice, so I can get to this piece and get her done. Stick around and I'll update you what I get done. Again, won't be much for content, but it is what it is. There's another piece I got done and ready to go. This is the grill for the 40/20, which I had a custom make, and I had to do some modifying to it to get past the motor coming in, because the motor's so big on that. And I had a big, I don't know why, it's probably the way it was from factory, but it had a big loop in it and it looked like crap. So I got that spot welded, taken out, and I ran it down to make it look nice. I just got to weld it up yet. So that's where that's at. Well, needless to say, a little bit of a transformation in here. Everything's down, everything's covered. Tractor's even covered with plastic. There's 3 covers on that one. There's my way in. I missed a spot on one of Ernie's covers. There's a little metal showing, so I gotta fix that. That'll take me about 15 minutes to get that ready to go. Go prep solve everything, let the solvents dry, and get my paint ready. Stay tuned for that mess. Hopefully I have no runs. Well, as much as I gotta turn the radio off. All right, well, as much as I'd love to say I had no runs, that was not the case. Oh, look at that. No wonder I'm freaking stoned. So anyways, yeah, let's go in there. I'm freaking dying in there, but let's flip this around. So needless to say, my plastic on the floor did not hold up. I was tripping all over that shit. And then I was pulling it into the parts. Oh, was I getting pissed off. So yeah, right there's a run. You can see that baby. I don't know how that got in there. That was a good piece. And I got a little run on the back. Where is it? Right there. But that's the bottom, so I didn't care about that. I got a drip hanging there. Oh, come on, focus, Danielson. But other than that, I mean, my biggest problem was I redid my compressor and I could not get the volume out here. Oh my God, look at all the runs hanging off of that. That ain't good. Oh my goodness gracious. That sucks. Didn't know that. Oh yeah, never make a painter. Yeah, so I went back up with the air compressor and I cranked it up so I can get the volume out to the gun. Then I could set it at 10 pounds. Then I got it to atomize good, and then, of course, then it was okay, but the damage is already done already. So whatever. Stay tuned, we'll see what kind of mess I got going here. All right, I got things moved out of the booth. Ooh, looks like my lens is dirty. No, it's not dirty. Got a piece over there. These pieces over here. This one here must have, when I hit that top run, I got to run. Hopefully I can get that out without repainting the whole thing. These here are fine. Oh, look, I got a little drip there. What the hell? It'll be fine. Yeah, I don't know. Struggle bus there. Got that one on the floor drying. And I'm going to get this one in, and I'm going to paint the bottom. And then I'm going to sandblast the inside. It's kind of a risky move, but I ain't got much choice. And I don't have the rims ready. I forgot about them. So I got to get them cleaned up today. and I'll paint them when I paint the inside of the box. All right, let's get at it. Well, needless to say, when you got the gun pressures right, it goes on a lot better. Let me show you what they got going on here. Let's go in the booth. This is coat 1, and this turned out freaking awesome. And I mean awesome. This is coat 1, and it looks really good. Really good. So, got a couple more minutes to wait, and then I get to put another coat on. Okay, got my gun all cleaned up and ready to go for the next run. That takes longer than anything. Let's go see what it turned out like. I hope it turned out good. I feel really good about it. So let's check it out. It is looking really good. Oh, hell yeah. Side 1 good. Front is good. Oh, sweet. I had to hit this piece again. The bend lip there was light, so I had to hit it again. This piece turned out freaking awesome. This one here, not so awesome. But I'll fix that later. So that's funny. This whole piece here cost me about 8 ounces of paint. All these little pieces cost me about 16 ounces. That's how much waste there was on them little pieces. Got the rim sandblasted too. They didn't turn out as good as I thought it did, but not bad. And I got Ernie's deck put together. That's all set and done. Belt is pre-ran. That's all tightened up. So that's pretty much done. That's just got to get put back on the tractor now and do some final setup on the tractor, and that'll take care of that. The paint is ordered. My dad is picking that up on Thursday, and then I'll be ready to go again. I have the rims all primed up and ready to go to be painted white. They turned out pretty good. So should have knocked that slag off from the spatter from the welding, but hey, that's stock. We'll leave it. And I got the trailer all scuffed up. Trailer's all scuffed up. Blown off, but not tack cloth. I'll blow it off and tack cloth it again. So that'll be done. I scuffed that again. Let me give that one more coat since I got the paint. Remember I showed you that dry stuff that was right here. I got that all sanded out nice and smooth now. So one more coat on this and that should do it. A couple more coats on this and that'll do it. And that'll conclude the 80 cart. The only sad thing is I can't hang the rims in here over the top of that because that's going to take several coats. This will be on a final coat, and I don't want all that overspray landing on the cart. So, that's the only thing that sucks about painting the rims. So I'll have to probably finish this stuff up, let it harden, and then paint the rims. Alright, got the rims up here. I coated them with a antique white, scuffed them all up, and that should save me a lot of paint time on them. And then I'll paint this and paint that. So let's get a coat on these. And I'll get a coat on the inside of this. And then I'll come back and then I'll spray that. It's only going to take one coat to get that done. This is going to take 3 inside, 2 outside, and probably at least 2 on that. That's good enough. All right, let's see how everything turns out here. Well, I couldn't look at my last coat. Hopefully it's my last coat. I gotta go to the dentist, and I thought I would be able to take a shower, and I didn't have time to take a shower. I'm gonna be late for my dentist appointment, so they're gonna love me because I smell like paint like bad. But it is what it is. The tailgate looked really good, really good. Rims, hopefully they're fine. I had to put a heavy second coat on the front of one because I forgot to do a first coat on it. So hopefully that don't bite me in the ass. I guess time will tell. Alright, going to the dentist. Show you what I got going on when I get back, and hopefully it's all good to go. Well, cross your fingers. Oop, walking all over everything here. What the hell's going on? Alright. Tailgate. Get the light on here for you. I don't know if this runs or not. We're going to find out. Oop. I know the tailgate don't. I don't believe. Tailgate looks really good on the backside where it don't matter. Tailgate is good. Left side is good. Oh yeah. Covered up that dry. That's good. I don't know what the hell that is in the paint, but looks like a piece of hair. Huh. Well, that's staying in there. I put a heavy coat on here. God, it's so hard to tell. It looks like it's light, but it could be a reflection. You can see me dropping the damn light in the goddamn paint. That'd do some nice damage. Well, I don't see any runs. Oh, rims. I know the rim had one little run on one back side of the rim. Well, that one looks good. This is the one I missed. And it looks good. You can see the back sides. Oh, sorry, I'm not looking through the camera. So hopefully this turns out. One little bitty run right. Oh, you still can't even see it, it's so small. That's it right there, that little bitty run. I can live with that. Rims look good. Trailer looks good. Awesome. Cool beans. I can't believe it. You sure I ain't got to run someplace? Holy Christ. Alright. It's freaking cool. Awesome. And I can put her together. Alright, I'm nitpicking my own work. No runs, but now that I picked up the sides in here, now the light gets in here better. What it is, it's not really, I guess it's on the verge of orange peel. It's just grainy, I guess the word would be. I don't know. Kind of orange peelish. Maybe I didn't have the, I don't know. I know I mixed it right. But it's just not, if you can see it in the camera or not, it's kind of, I guess it's called orange peel. I don't know. I ain't repainting it though. It costs too damn much. It'll be fine. Better than it was. Not sure where I left off on videoing, but I got the VIN tag on this one. And I have the back decal on the back tailgate. Where is it? I can't see it. It's in there someplace. Where the hell is it? There it is. And I put one on the bottom side too. And I'm waiting for Ernie to drop off the side John Deere, the other side John Deere, and then the 80 in the front. So I figured as long as I'm doing that, I might as well blow the last one apart. So I got that all blown apart. I got this part all painted black, but I did not get crazy on cleanup because this thing is shot. And I mean shot. Look at a hole in there through the bed. Woo. There's another hole someplace right here. Here's a hole. The tailgate's all rotted out. I don't know if you can see it with the rust, but yeah, she's pretty junky. So I just got done cleaning up. Oh, that fine dust gets everywhere. So I'll just wire brush this off. I'm not getting fancy with it. I'll pull it all apart and I'll wire brush it all and paint it. But yeah, it's not getting 100% rust free. It's just going to be rust taken off, and I'll just coat the hell out of it, paint, and seal it up. And that's going to be it. Wrap this video up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Hit thumbs up. Oh, nice how dirty I am. All right, later.